What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I have something a little different for you guys today. You know, we like to check out different things. You guys know I personally like to bid on salvage stuff, but there's other places out there. You know, we showed you guys Joyride Autos before, and today we're going to take a look at cars and bids. All right, guys, so this website is called Cars and Bids. If you're on YouTube or you watch automotive stuff, then most of you guys should know who Doug DeMuro is. Now, before I get started, I had to be clear. This is not sponsored at all. I just try to help out my subscribers on where to find other cool stuff. Now, here's something I thought was interesting right off the bat. There's a 2005 BMW Alpina B5. You know, this is the other thing that drives me nuts about the iPhone. You can have Do Not Disturb on, and you'll still have all kinds of friggin' pop-ups and stuff pop up on your phone. It drives me nuts. But look at this one. 4.4 supercharged V8. I wonder if it's on par with the V10. Probably not. I think the V10 is probably even better still. But let's look at the pictures of the car. Wow, that's super friggin' clean, man. Yeah, that thing is nice. I don't know, man. I just feel like if you're gonna go that, you might as well just get the M5. Not to say that the Alpina is bad, but it's kind of like, why? You know? I don't know. Let's go back and look at some of the other stuff. This old Volvo, we've seen these in my Copart walkarounds and auctions, and you can see this. This one's at $5,300. That's crazy. Wow. A 1992 Dodge Stealth. Interesting. $7,300. I might need to sell the Prince GTO or just list it here just for shits and giggles because, I mean, who else can say that they have a car that was owned by Prince? Not many, I'm guessing. Look at this. 2002 BMW 530i. The E39 is clearly one of my most favorite vehicles in the world, or that I've ever owned. My very first car that I rebuilt was the E39. Same color. Actually looks exactly like this. Yeah. I really, really enjoyed this car. But yeah, man, I don't know. You guys got to let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. It's pretty clean for what it is, you know. But is it worth 11 grand? I don't know, man. Look, this is the reason why I'm showing you guys this website is because if you have an eccentric car, you know, maybe it's an old Jeep or a Land Rover Defender, or like, look at this Toyota Land Cruiser. Something different, something, you know, maybe it's an old Yugo. Here's another one. Look at this 1996 XJS convertible. Now, this is right when I got started to get back into the car scene. I think it was, 2014, I think, is the last time I owned this car. And I own this exact car, black on black on black. If you go back far enough on my Instagram, you guys can see pictures of it. And I loved it. V12, beautiful car. Now, the V12 had different rims, but I like these rims on the car better than the rims that came with the V12, so I swapped with somebody else. But outside of that, like, this car is friggin', I'm not gonna lie, this car right here is friggin' beautiful. But this car had big downfalls and issues too, like coolant issues where the hose it's like one hose. There's not multiple hoses. It's one hose with like 8 different tentacles off the hose, and when it blows, it blows your wallet. Ooh, I just saw that. You see that? Oh man, shout out to Cars and Bids for the high definition photo, but somebody nerfed that bumper. I'm surprised they didn't try to buff that out or get that taken care of before they listed it. That sucks. But overall, I mean, it is still pretty clean. I'm going to be honest, it is still pretty clean. It almost looks like they got like modeling photos taken of their car, which is smart, I guess, if you're selling on Cars and Bids, because they can go for some insane money. It does have the 4.0 liter inline 6, so it doesn't even have the 8. Some people actually did swaps with which no, they didn't come that way, but some people actually did like XJ8 swaps with the motor and put them into these cars because they wanted the 8-cylinder. I've seen people put LS motors in these cars, but this has the original inline 6, and that's what's up. All right, let's look and see if there's anything else that immediately grabs my attention. Man, a lot of the cars on here are going for decent money. Look at this 1996 Impala SS. Wow, unmodified, it says. It's just all stock. 42,000 miles, that's 14 grand. Like, I think I might have to list. Ooh. Yeah, I had to add that to my photos. That might be the thumbnail right there. I ain't even gonna BS you, man. Look at that. 6.1 liter Hemi V8. They want 11 grand for it so far. Automatic 5. I would have to switch that though. I can't do the automatic, man. I just can't do it. I can't do the automatic. I gotta have a manual, man. And I know they're getting more rare. It's why I don't have a BMW now. Like I can't get an M car in a manual that's new. You just can't. What? Somebody put the SRT Hellcat logo on the back of this, which that would be totally boss if somebody did that, but nah. Nope. Now it'd be cool if you did a Charger front end swap on that. Ooh, that's a beautiful picture of that too. Look at that. Damn. Man, this is a clean ass SRT8 for sure. And it's on, with the lowering springs and everything else. Like, I think this person's going to definitely get what they're looking for out of this car. Ooh, I don't like them. Yeah, I wouldn't have took that photo, but couple rock chips and stuff in the front. At least they're honest and showing you that the car's not perfect. You can tell that by looking at the headlight, though. I would have buffed my headlights, sanded and clear coated them before I listed my car, but that's just me. I mean, hey, I like what they did with it, though. It looks pretty clean. Looks really clean for what it is. Well, Well, guys, you guys can go sign up for Cars and Bids. Like I said, for what it is, man, look at this very rare Mercury Marauder. We've seen these before, haven't we? Shout out to my dude Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. He had one of those. It was a nice car. 02 M3, no reserve. That car's gonna go crazy. I don't know. I've seen like the cars that are no reserve go for stupid money. 95 Mustang GT convertible, V8 power. Interesting. Ooh, look at that Ferrari. Wow. That's a beautiful car. That's a beautiful car. I ain't go front. I got people hitting me up from Trinidad and other places. They want to buy car. They want me to. I haven't officially announced that I'm going to be a broker yet, but a lot of people have already seen me listed as a broker and on certain sites that I haven't mentioned yet because I haven't announced it yet, man. But god damn, man, people see that shit and they're hitting me. Yo, I see you're listed as a broker now. Can you help me buy this car? It's like, stop. Anywho's. Man, this is kind of cool, man. 20-year current owner. That's a beautiful car. I'm not going to front. That is a beautiful car. Well, this is Cars and Bids, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All right, guys. This is a quick bonus video, guys, for you guys this evening. Somebody had hit me up about it, asked me what I thought about Cars and Bids. I'm kind of traveling right now. I'm in the middle of nowhere, Montana. And I was like, let me just knock out a quick video for you guys and show you guys a little bit about the site. If you're interested in selling, like I said, it's not sponsored, so I'm not going to get into all the details. But you can go over to Cars and Bids and check it out. It's just another site, and it's another thing. And look, I like to give you guys as many avenues to purchase a vehicle, whether it's salvage, new, a project, whatever it is. Cars and Bids does all of that too. Everything that comes through there is not perfect. So just another avenue. I thought it was interesting, so I thought I would send it your way. I look at it occasionally. I've bid on a few cars there. I haven't won anything on cars and bids yet. I say yet. I'm currently leading on another vehicle over there, and we didn't show it today because I'm not gonna have y'all come through and bid up my car like y'all did on this damn Prince GTO, man. Damn. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you like me showing you guys new avenues and different places to buy cars, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button and hitting the comment section down below. Till next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.